If you want to compare how different groups or categories contribute to a total, then stacked column charts are a suitable option. Stacked column charts help to simplify complex data for easier understanding and provide useful insights. Hi there, welcome to Exceldemy, where you can learn to use Excel and solve Excel VBA related problems. I'm Eshrak Kader, and in today's video I'll be showing you 4 examples of creating a stacked column chart in Excel. So let's get started. For this tutorial, I'll be using Microsoft Excel 365. Let's quickly go through what is a stacked column chart. A stacked column chart displays multiple datasets stacked on top of one another. It compares the contribution of different categories as a whole or shows the trend of multiple series over time. Here are some of the use cases of stacked column charts. They can be used to compare the parts of a total, analyze trends over time, and lastly, identify patterns and anomalies in the data. Let's consider the financial dataset, which contains a list of companies in the company column, followed by revenue, total cost, and lastly, the net income column. Here we want to use this data to generate stacked column charts using Excel's charting feature. For the first example, I'll create a basic stacked column chart. I'll select from B4 to E8 range, then click the Insert tab. In the Chart section, I'll click on Insert Column or Bar Chart drop-down. In the 2D section, I'll select Stacked Column. This gives a basic stacked column chart. We can see a Chart Design contextual tab has appeared. In the Chart Style section, if you click this arrow, you can see various chart styles. For now, I'll stick with the default Style 1. If you click the Change Colors drop-down, you can see various colors to choose from. In addition, if we click the Paintbrush button at the right side of the chart, we can also see the chart styles. If I scroll down, we can see all the styles. In the Color section, we can choose various color palettes. In my case, I'll choose Colorful Palette 3. Lastly, I'll click on the title and change it to a more suitable title. That's it, our stacked column chart is complete. Instead of the currency amounts, we can represent the revenue, total cost and net incomes as percentages. I'll choose from B4 to E8 range, then go to the Insert tab. In the Chart section, I'll click on Insert Column or Bar Chart drop-down. In the 2D section, I'll choose 100% Stacked Column. This gives a stacked column chart represented as a percentage. You can change the chart styles and colors from the Chart Design contextual tab, or you can click the Paintbrush button. Here you can choose various chart styles. In my case, I'll choose Style 2. I'll go to the Color section. Here you can choose various color palettes. I'll choose Colorful Palette 2. Lastly, I'll rename the title. I'll resize the chart, and that's it, our 100% stacked column chart is complete. For the third example, I'll create a 3D stacked column chart. Select the dataset from B4 to E8 range, click the Insert tab. In the Chart section, click on Insert Column or Bar Chart drop-down. Here in the 3D section, I'll choose 3D Stacked Column. Afterward, I'll click the Paintbrush icon. In the Style section, I'll scroll down and choose Style 5. In the Color section, you can choose various colorful palettes. In my case, I'll choose Colorful Palette 4. I'll click the chart title and give it a suitable name. That's it, our 3D stacked column chart is ready. We can also represent the 3D stacked column chart as a percentage. I'll select the dataset from B4 to E8 range, then go to the Insert tab. In the Chart section, I'll click on Insert Column or Bar Chart drop-down. In the 3D section, I'll select 3D 100% stacked column. I'll click the paintbrush icon. In the Style section, I'll scroll down and select Style 6. I'll go to the Color section. Here I'll choose Monochromatic Palette 1. Lastly, I'll change the title. I'll resize the chart. This completes our 3D 100% stacked column chart. Last but not least, we can make stacked column chart with quite a few variables. For instance, I want a stacked column chart of a company revenue over a 5-year period. In your case, you may have more than 5 years. I'll select from B5 to G9 range, then go to the Insert tab. In the Chart section, I'll click on Insert Column or Bar Chart dropdown. Here I'll choose 2D Stacked Column. To get the revenue for each company, I'll go to the Chart Design Contextual tab. In the Data section, I'll click on Switch Row/Column. The chart now displays all the yearly revenue for each company. Lastly, I'll click the chart title and rename it to Yearly Revenue. That's it, our stacked column chart with 5 variables is ready. In this demonstration, I have shown you 4 examples of creating a stacked column chart in Excel. Don't forget to download the practice workbook from the video description. Try it out for yourself. It's a great way to improve your Excel skills. If this video helped you, give it a thumbs up. If you have any queries, suggestions or feedback, leave a comment down below. For more information, you can also visit Exceldemy.com. Also, to see more helpful content like this, please consider subscribing to our channel. Hope to see you next time. Bye!